Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna go ahead and show you. Crap. Well, I'm gonna show you how to get sound effects for movies and stuff. That is free if you don't want to go ahead and buy it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you. Uh, this is what I have right now, and I have a lot of these. I have two fast ones, so I don't know about that, but that's on repeat, just so you know. But anyway, let's listen to another one. Those are pretty cool, right? Yep. So I'm going to show you this. But first thing you're going to do is you're going to make sure you open this up um, to where you want it to be. Like I like mine right in the music. And when I renew my Windows code, because I'm just like using a trial right now, I can't make a new folder, as you can see. Which I think is the reason. If not, if you guys know, comment and let me know, because I'd much appreciate it. Anyway, I have mine where I want them to be. So go ahead and go to Firefox, which is, I mean, I'm sure the skills are translatable. You just have to go to your downloads, but go to the soundbible.com. Once you get it to around here, you can search them right here. So I'm gonna search gun click, and then hit enter. And okay, the only one popped up because that's not a really common thing, but it's actually pretty good, for a, you think you're gonna shoot somebody and click and you don't shoot them. But to download it, and if you can't listen to it right there, like for some reason it wouldn't let me, what you can do is you can right click it. You actually left click it and hit like that, but that's gonna download it. I don't want to download it right there, but I am gonna download it to here, and that should take. You double click it, it should take a second or two. Actually, I think you only, yeah, double click it. Once you've done that, all you're gonna do is left click it, drag it over to here, and just put it in there. And I think is it this one? Listen to it. It was a dry fire, right? Yeah, okay, here it is then. Yep, and that's it. I mean, that's pretty easy. You can go look, and you don't have to use just gun sounds. You can search some maybe like scream. I type it in. Yeah. Sports crowd. Alrighty, well, anyway, that's how you do it. Pretty simple stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and comment on all of my videos. And go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And look forward from hearing from you guys. And I'll put up more videos soon. Thanks so much for watching.